Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Amy, and this is the sixth video in the series of knowledge about solar panels, clean solar panels. Knowledge about solar panels aims to introduce people to PV modules. We hope to help people better understand photovoltaic products and make human energy sustainable as soon as possible. If you like this video, please follow this channel to let more people know, and let's build a green community together. Over time, dust, leaves, water droppings, and a few other things can build up on your solar panels, and heavy rain can't remove them. Regular cleaning allows you to maximize the output of your PV system. That's why it's essential to clean your PV modules. So, how often should they be cleaned? Can we do the clean by ourselves? How to clean it? Today, Amy takes you through everything you need to know about cleaning your residential PV modules. Cleaning solar panels, very important. Your PV system is exposed to the outdoors. Leaves and needles falling from trees, bird droppings, small dead bugs, fan dust, pollen, and airborne dirt and sand can land on PV panels and stain them. These things will block the sunlight and thus reduce the output of the PV system. The shading prevents the cells from attracting sunlight, and in severe cases can even trigger a hot spot effect that damages the entire solar panel. It has been calculated that a dirty PV system can reduce the electrical output by up to 20%. So proper cleaning of PV panels is essential to ensure that PV systems remain efficient. How often to clean? Even when it rains and snows. The rain and snow can wash and clean the PV panels, but this is still not enough. In particular, birds such as pigeons can stay near your panels and leave bird droppings to stain the surface. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you clean your PV panels regularly, both to maintain the efficiency of your panels and to ensure that the materials used to make them remain in good condition. To ensure maximum output from your PV system, you can schedule a cleaning of your PV modules every 2 years. If there are a lot of birds nearby, or if the PV system is near an agricultural area, a factory, or a busy road, you can plan to clean it every 6 months to once a year. In addition, if the tilt angle of the PV module is very small, even parallel to the ground, you should increase the frequency of cleaning. Because of the reduced tilt angle, dirt and dust are not easily washed away by rain. Compared to rain, snow has a better cleaning effect. The proper amount of snow can take away bird droppings, dead bugs, and other stains that are harder to rinse off. However, if too much snow is deposited on PV panels and does not melt during the day, then the snow will shade the PV panels, and it is time to clean the snow as soon as possible. Have it cleaned by a professional. If the PV system is installed on a roof, balcony, or wall, we recommend that you have it cleaned by a professional company. This is because working on a roof without training can pose considerable risks. No matter what, safety always comes first. In Germany, the average cost of a professional PV cleaning for a PV system is 1 to 3 euros per square meter. Of course, the exact price depends on the company you hire. In addition, in some large PV plants, professional robots are used for cleaning. How to clean by yourself? If you plan to clean your PV panels by yourself, we have the following suggestions. 1. To avoid danger, take safety measures. 2. Before cleaning, the modules must be disconnected from the power supply. 3. Fallen leaves can be easily wiped off by hand. Do not forget rubber or work gloves. 4. Use suitable tools. For example, mild detergents and telescope rods. 5. To avoid sketching or even shattering the tempered glass, do not use sharp metal objects such as hard shovels directly on the PV panels. 6. Never step on the PV panels with your feet. 7. Do not wait for the snow to get too thick before cleaning. Swipe away the snow with a soft brush or mop, etc. 8. Do not use hot water to rinse the PV panels. Tips on snow accumulation. Finally, there is a tip to share with you for using PV panels in snowy conditions. If your PV system is installed underground, when the panels are not covered by anything and there is snow on the ground around them, the snow on the ground will act as a mirror and reflect the sunlight back, so the panels will generate more power. Snow will be a small boost to solar power generation. Well, that's all for today. Is there anything else you want to ask about clean PV modules? Welcome to leave a message in the comment section. We will read carefully and give the answer. If this video is helpful to you, please like and forward it to your friends. We look forward to meeting you in the next video. See you soon.